The power of sage. 12 health benefits you need to know. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of sage, a powerful herb with a multitude of health benefits. Stay tuned as we explore 12 surprising ways sage can improve your health and well-being. Sage isn't just some culinary herb you sprinkle on your dish for a bit of flavor, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for blood clotting and bone health. Just a small amount of sage can contribute a significant portion of your daily vitamin K needs. And it doesn't stop there. Sage also boasts a good amount of iron, which is essential for oxygen transport throughout your body. And let's not forget about the other players in the sage game: folate, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals are involved in various bodily functions from DNA synthesis to immune support. So when you add that dash of sage, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a potent blend of nutrients that your body craves. Sage brings that diversity to the table. Let's talk about antioxidants, those amazing compounds that protect our cells from damage. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system against harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Now, sage is loaded with various antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, and carnosol. These antioxidants work together to neutralize free radicals, acting like little scavengers that keep our cells healthy. Sage, with its rich antioxidant profile, is like sending in an elite force of knights to protect your cells from harm. Oral health is so important, and you know I'm all about simple, natural ways to take care of our smiles. Well, it turns out that sage has been traditionally used to support oral health, and modern science is starting to back up its reputation. Studies have shown that sage possesses antibacterial properties, meaning it can help fight against bacteria that can cause dental plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. Think about it: you brush your teeth, you floss, but sometimes you need an extra layer of protection, right? That's where sage comes in. Its antibacterial properties act like a superhero sidekick, helping to keep those harmful bacteria in check. Some mouthwashes and oral hygiene products even include sage as an ingredient because of its effectiveness. But you can also try incorporating sage into your routine by simply brewing a sage tea and using it as a mouthwash after brushing. Ladies, let's talk about menopause. It's a natural stage of life, but it can come with some uncomfortable symptoms like hot flashes. Well, sage has been traditionally used to help manage menopausal symptoms, and there's actually some promising research to support this. Studies have suggested that sage may help reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes in women experiencing menopause. While more research is needed, these initial findings are encouraging. If you're struggling with menopause symptoms, talk to your doctor about whether sage might be a good option for you. It could be a natural way to find some comfort during this transition. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for individuals with diabetes. And while maintaining a healthy lifestyle and following medical advice is paramount, incorporating certain herbs and spices like sage might offer additional support. Some studies suggest that sage may have blood sugar lowering effects. It appears that compounds in sage may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more effectively. It's like giving your body's blood sugar regulation system a helping hand. If you have diabetes, talk to your doctor before adding sage to your diet, as it may interact with certain medications. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it aligns with your overall diabetes management plan. We all want to keep our minds sharp and focused, right? Well, sage has a long history of use in traditional medicine for boosting brain power, and now scientific studies are starting to uncover the reasons behind its potential cognitive benefits. Research has suggested that sage may enhance memory and cognitive function. It appears that compounds in sage may have neuroprotective effects, meaning they could help protect brain cells from damage. It's like giving your brain a little tune-up, helping it stay sharp and focused. Imagine your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of sage's cognitive benefits, the existing findings are certainly promising. So why not add a sprig of sage to your next meal and see if you notice a difference? Heart health is a topic close to my heart, both literally and figuratively. We all know that maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for a healthy heart. Well, guess what? Sage might just be a heart-healthy herb worth adding to your diet. Studies have shown that sage may help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is the type that can build up in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. So, by helping to lower LDL cholesterol, sage could potentially contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Of course, incorporating sage into your diet should be part of a holistic approach to heart health, which includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management. Cancer research is constantly evolving, and scientists are always on the lookout for natural compounds that may have cancer-fighting properties. While sage is not a cure for cancer, research suggests that it may contain compounds that could play a role in cancer prevention. Some studies have indicated that sage extracts may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, including those associated with breast, colon, and leukemia. It's important to note that these studies were conducted in test tubes and on animals, so more research is needed to determine how these findings translate to humans. While more research is needed, the potential of sage in cancer prevention is a promising area of study. We've all experienced digestive discomfort at some point, whether it's indigestion, bloating, or diarrhea. Sage has a long history of use in traditional medicine for soothing digestive issues, particularly diarrhea. Sage is believed to have astringent properties, meaning it can help tighten tissues in the gut, potentially reducing inflammation and slowing down bowel movements. This can be helpful in relieving diarrhea symptoms. If you're experiencing diarrhea, try incorporating sage tea into your diet. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried sage leaves in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain and drink. We all want to age gracefully, both inside and out, right? Well, remember those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier? Those same antioxidants that protect our cells from damage can also work wonders for our skin. Sage is rich in antioxidants that can help protect our skin from free radical damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. Free radicals can break down collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. Sage acts like a protective shield, defending your skin from damage and preserving its youthful appearance. You can incorporate sage into your skincare routine by using sage-infused oils or creams. A sore throat is never fun. It can make swallowing painful and leave you feeling miserable. Sage has long been used as a natural remedy for soothing sore throats, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Sage contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and irritation in the throat, providing relief from pain and discomfort. One of the best ways to use sage for a sore throat is to make a sage gargle. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried sage leaves in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and let it cool slightly. Now that you know all the amazing health benefits of sage, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your diet. Well, here are a few simple ideas. First up, fresh sage leaves add incredible flavor to savory dishes. You can chop them up and sprinkle them over roasted vegetables, stir them into pasta sauces, or use them to add a burst of flavor to soups and stews. Sage is also delicious when paired with poultry and pork. And let's not forget about sage tea. It's a soothing and aromatic beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Let us know in the comments how you use sage in your daily life. See you next time.